Hi Aries, Leo and Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. Sending you love all the way from India. Follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS Essentials Running. Alright, let's start with your reading. And this is going to be right from 26th of April till 2nd May 2021, though timeless readings, okay? To influence all misconnections. I heard 2-3 words and that they came through like hold on, heavy. Okay, some of you need to hold on to your decision here, and I feel like it's about holding on to the person, and there is something heavy between you and the other energy possible, or something as an individual you're feeling. There can be heavy breath kind of, or something that you want to hold on to this energy, or someone does want to. Okay, however, these are general, universal, so may or may not resonate and may go vice versa as well. But you have the bottom energy. I'm going to use Witches Tarot by Alan Dugan here if you're interested to know. They're beautiful. And you have 9 of Cups energy. Bottom energy is 9 of Cups energy, and I feel like someone is looking at it very how we can put that in a very nice, in a very in a way of like confirmation, or something that someone is like look at this lady, how she's looking at. Okay, maybe however you are, male, female, listening, doesn't matter, that way goes vice versa. But I feel like someone is looking at the cup, at the start of our possible overwhelming situation possible. This is something heavy that you're feeling that is still here over here, and because this is 9 of Cups energy, which is about hold on, your wish is about to come true. So this is a desire that is like coming in front of you. It's just there and you just need to take care of it. Okay, it's about making someone comfortable, or making someone feel comfortable, because that's what the energy is here. That's what I see. And hold on, heavy, because I feel second last card is Four of Swords. With this, I feel someone's guards are up, or possible it's like someone is taking a pause, or maybe both of you are on hold. Okay, so this is soulmates or twin flames, or connection is on hold for a while. Okay, that's what I'm hearing. And okay, third last card is Knight of Pentacles energy. I'm just going to get into more shuffle here. I'm not going to take this card, but I'm going to just show you, because Knight of Pentacles is here, which is very important in this current situation. That something might be getting delayed, or a little pause, or something is pending here, okay, on hold. It does go with that. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn though, but this energy is quite a bit of like, it's here, might not be just here. So makes sense. It's like you can see, but you cannot exactly hold that situation. Okay, but I feel there's an assurance in this 9 of Cups energy that's going to come. Okay, now I'm going to take 9 of Cups and 4 of Swords energy as your overall energy, or overall vibe, or heart energy, as I say. This is about the fact that you need to just hold on to the situation, calm down, and this is going to drop, which is about guards gonna drop. Okay, it is something very important here that you need to take care of. Someone is taking time, so possible it is about recuperation time. Okay, I feel like a lot of let's put that in simple words, healing. Yeah, you both are going through healing. This connection does need healing, and it is there, but sort of like a pickup energy. If you need it, you need to put a little bit of break here and work on both of your situations. Okay, it's about respecting the space. All right, and that's why it's like someone is saying that I do. There's also a lot of push towards the person, like, you know, it's like someone who is feeling like a pressure, okay, of love. It's sometimes, yeah, how I can put that, it's like, okay, I love you, you love me, but I kind of feel a little uncomfortable and I need time to get comfortable. So I feel like this energy is about making the other person feel comfortable, or goes vice versa, because fourth last card is Four of Wands energy, which is so important. It's a home, it's 11-11, it's 4 of Wands, stability. Okay, so hold on. This is a little bit heavy. This may be a challenge. This heavy word may be a challenge for you both, okay, or just for you, I don't know. But however, the situation is the call. With the Four of Swords energy, I'm also picking like something is getting slow here. Work. Okay, you cannot go out. You know all that is pandemic is here. With the Four of Swords, it's like stay inside if you want to stay healthy. Okay, and this message is from my side to all of you out there, whether you are a fire sign or not, whether you are as a human to human, you know, person to person, please stay inside and your desires will come true, and you can work on your desires later on when you are healthy. So please stay inside. Okay, this is what very important is. I also feel with the fact that there are certain connections in your life which is like you might have loved them too much, and this energy might be some other energies like from your family or from your work situations, a collaboration of work. This is something telling me that there's a wall between you and this person, whoever this is. The wall might be that there's miscommunication, and that's why you need to pause this. Okay, that's why you need to make sure that you are fine, also the other person, but you are fine, you're healthy and fit, so that you can handle the situation later on. This can wait. So something over here can wait. Please don't hurry, don't force yourself, don't come under pressure, love pressure, work pressure. Please take care of that. So in this time frame, slow down, don't move out so much unless and until it is important, it is emergency, it is necessary. Just go, take your stuff, come inside, wash your hand, do whatever you need to, wear mask, please, right from here till here. Okay, because many people are going out and it is very tough right now. It is very difficult. They need to work also. Some are in services, some are doctors. So please, they're trying really hard. I know everyone is going through their own struggle, but I need to put that out because this is a platform that I have. I can channel it, not just readings. I want you to be fine. Okay, it's just not like official business and everything. No, it does include my feelings, my concern as well. So this is your energy. Okay, this is about energize yourself again. This is your vibe, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. It's also about, what's that word, stay put, like I don't know how does it go with this, but with the magician, things are going upside down a little bit. I feel that kind of energy. Okay, but remember that if you're fine, if you're healthy, you can again get back on track, slow and steady, and that's okay. Okay, it is also telling me 4 months, last 4 months went by, January, February, March, April, and we are in April. So this is your 4th month. I feel that for not for just fire signs, it is for like all and for everyone around the corner. Slow and steady, pick up energy, I see. Okay, yeah, you also have this death, Scorpio, but death is a transition, change, endings and beginnings, and moving and mendings. Okay, I see a move for some of you here. Let's see from where you're coming, but that's your energy that you need to work on. Okay, you're coming from 6 of Swords energy. My whole deck is erect though, but it is coming reversed. So you are coming from a place where you cannot ever return, or you don't want to return, or some things are here that you don't want to do or repeat. Okay, this is also about your move that was very difficult, or it is something that was you're coming from because it was very difficult to move on, to comprehend something, or to let someone understand, like to let them comprehend. This energy is also something, that communication that happened between you and this person. There might be distance, but this is like the communication possible that happened, and now you don't want to repeat it. That's what I'm hearing. And you also have the bottom energy as a Page of Swords, which might be that happened. Okay, or a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. It's also something, I'm again putting stay put. Like, what kind of energy is that? It's like stay ready. Okay, or stay alert about something. With this energy, there's also heavy Aquarius. But it's also curiosity. It's something, a communication, a message that may turn up, or that happened between you and this person, if this was just with the person. Okay, I'm hearing the word dramatic, someone being over here, like that's what dramatic is. And I'm also hearing a dramatic approach. Okay, so maybe this happened. Okay, and I'm looking at this 6 of Swords energy. I'm hearing a decision. Okay, I feel like it's done. It's done here. Something was done. Okay, it was possible, heavy, difficult, but you did it. Or something that you're coming from, that it was impossible in this time frame to meet someone, and that's why things are on Knight of Pentacles, kind of energy, like on hold. Okay, heavy. So something was heavy and this is on hold, something, maybe some meeting, the call, the visit, heavy communication, whatever it is here. Okay, let's see in your now. You're having all flips, like reversed. I don't know why. 6 of Wands energy is reversed. Something has to do with number 6 as well in your life, or 12, 6 years, 6 weeks, 6 months, or 12 years kind of energy. Someone is feeling heavy and someone is feeling on hold, and someone is feeling that I'm not winning, and you need to know that it's not about winning. It's just about you. It's about your well-being. It's about your health. Okay. This is something I feel delayed trip, travel, whatever it is, but it's delayed. Something got cancelled as well here, I feel, or someone who is feeling that I'm not being victorious, or feeling like I was unable to handle this. Okay, that kind of situation I see. Let's see in your future, and I'm going to clarify. Okay. Knight of Cups energy. It's the approach of someone or something is getting delayed. Again, offer or confirmation or ascension here, or an apology. This may be with the Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean energy, but you need to know that this person is very much worried. This may be an Aries, the Emperor, okay? But this is also one of you, Aries, as in if you channel. Someone is a liar around you, Aries. If this is someone specific, Aries, you are hearing this. There is someone you're on the lookout, and someone is hiding things from you. They're not being truthful. They are around you. You need to know. You need to be alert. Okay, something you had the communication. This is about the family. This is about concepts. This is about relationship even. Recording time 12:12. It's concern. Okay, and it is the love that you hold for someone also, or someone holds for you. It's like consideration. I feel like reconsidering something. You are going to reconsider something in your future, in the coming time, when things are going to a little bit settle and they're no longer heavy, and whatever is on hold, you're going to take back something in control. That's what I see. And a lot of lie will be out, which is about the truth is going to be here on the platter. You have children. If you have children, some of you are single, might be, I don't know, but some of you are, yeah, you people have children. Exact 2 possible. Okay, I have a few questions on 6 of Swords reversed. I have that, but I see here in your future it's reconsidering certain decision, matter, whatever was on hold. Maybe a work situation, maybe relationship. 6 of Swords. Weird. Something is in 50-50, I feel, but the Hanged Man is here. I think it came like this. It's like the move was difficult. Let's put that. The Hanged Man, but it's also 50-50 situation, and finally it was done. That's why it's reversed. It was difficult. Okay, decision was difficult, communication was difficult. It was a lot of hover. It was like zzz, you know, there was a lot of buzz around you. Not a BB, but a dragonfly. Zzz. Okay, makes sense. Someone was ignoring to see the clarity, the decision, and that's why it was difficult. It's coming like, yet we need to see, yet we need to clarify. That's why maybe it's heavy. Whatever it was heavy. Maybe it's your situation. Okay, I feel something stopped here, and which is important or was important because of even the current situations. If you couldn't travel, good for you actually. Okay, for some cases. Let's see on 6 of Wands. I'm hearing, looking at Six of Wands energy, it's like someone is feeling tired, or something dramatic, or something that they can't resolve right now, and in future it's going to be reconsideration. But here I feel like someone is feeling that I cannot even win, I cannot make them understand. It's like that kind of situation. I cannot meet because of the situation right now. You have Page of Wands energy. I'm hearing it's hard to express. Maybe it's for you. It's for you. It's hard to express yourself. But it's Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy, and it's on Six of Wands energy. It's like the rhythm that person cannot understand, the rhythm that you want to say, the message that you received or you couldn't send. It's about something that was confirmed but could not take off, like ascension problem. Okay, let's see in your future what's this all about. It's like reconsideration. I'm telling you, possible an apology coming from some side. There may be a call, there may be a message. I hear they don't want to leave, whatever it is. Maybe it's a work situation. Nine of Pentacles energy. I also feel someone is hurt, and that's why reconsideration will be happening. It's also about your work situations, and it's also about something that is not in that level. Like it's like someone hurt your self-respect, or someone did, you to them, them to you. And also it is something connected with like, let's reconsider it because someone doesn't want to be free, okay? And it is like they can't leave or you can't leave. This may be work situation or love matter, because it's coming here. But it's also about self-respect. I'm telling you, this was hurt. Pride, let's put that way. Pride. Nine of Cups energy, and this is repeating. It's right from the start here. It's like for the sake of, hold on, heavy. Nine of Cups, this is what is heavy. This is about in your future. That's what I said. On the Emperor. So possible an Aries here is going to reconsider something, or as an energy form who can handle something, they're going to reconsider certain relationship or offer or work situation. Nine of Cups, it's coming true. Desire, wish, it's also connectivity here. That's what I see. And I can do it because I don't want to do it, because I want to stay, because I want to work it. Okay, make it work. So right now it's like acknowledging, it's like figuring out something. The Hermit may be a Virgo, but with this, bringing light to a certain area of your life. I don't know. I don't know what happened. I just saw that that firefly, one firefly. I just saw like that kind of. It's not here, but I saw. It just flew by. So I feel light to particular area. It's about in the night or in the dark, you're going to see something. Okay. Which is good actually. You can check by yourself something. Whoa, missing you. Maybe that's what is this firefly energy. Is this energy someone who is missing you, or you are? This is also someone who is definitely reconsidering something, you and them both, because in last it's Knight of Cups energy. Missing you, it's very important. Yes, we need, or someone is missing someone and something is getting delayed, and that's like, it's like that kind of energy. Yeah, dramatic as well a little bit, but everything is fair in love and war. Not everything. Like, you know what's right and wrong. Seven is thinking a lot here. Think a lot. Okay? Missing you. Think a lot. Oh wow. This came tea and coffee. Opposites. Magnets. Okay? This may be with a... I'm hearing Leo. Okay? Maybe some cases I talked about Aries, then there's a Sagittarius because collective of fire sign. There's also Leo, maybe dealing or watching, I don't know. Tea and coffee. It's I hear let's meet. Because I miss you, think a lot, tea and coffee, okay? And it's like maybe choices are different, but it doesn't matter, okay? Individual personality is different. Yes, of course, it does. you know, everyone shouldn't be a clone, but that's what I see. It's heading towards, I like tea, you like coffee, you like tea, I like coffee, whatever it is, let's reconsider it. Okay, different thoughts though, doesn't matter. You can have whatever you want. Okay, so like for example, for me, it doesn't matter if someone likes for example coffee, okay, and I don't want to have coffee, then I may have coffee, or I can have something else, and it doesn't matter. You should appreciate, okay, their choices. That's what the line, the thin line is there. You should not force someone to, oh, you like jeans, I don't like it, so that person likes it, come on, let them wear it, let them be happy. Because it's like loving someone but changing them is not right exactly, okay, because it's like they are not going to be themselves then. You are not creating a clone, you need to love someone. Okay, so that's all for today. Take care, bye.